music not playing in Wuthering Waves. Okay, we are going to solve this problem. Okay, okay, we are going to the Epic Games. Okay, and go to the library. Okay, here, and go to the game. Okay, Wuthering Waves, and go to the click on the launch. Okay, and here you your music, okay, this game not playing. Okay, you put the alt F4. Okay, and you go here and reinitiate, okay, this PC, okay, PC, or your laptop. Okay, and this you solve this problem. Okay, the music not playing. Okay, and bye bye.